How to buy Ooga Booga token. So this token it came under the symbol of Ooga. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you found on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down in description. You can get free money or some crypto with the best referral code. Simply just goes below, fund your account, enjoy the benefits, check them out in the description. Now this token is available on MEXC. So now I will show you how to buy this token on MEXC. Now go and open your account on MEXC, as you can see. So if you don't have an account on MEXC, go down in the description and you will be able to find the referral link. Go and create an account on MEXC to benefit from rewards and fund your token with some USDT. Now after that, in the search, type the token name. As you can see, this token it will be the Ooga. Now click on this pair. Now after that, wait a few seconds to load this page and now click on limits here. Now here you can type how much you want to buy. As you can see here, you will be able to see how much will be paid of that USDT on your account. And click on buy Ooga. If you select the market, just drag this to set how much percentage that you want to use of that USDT on your account to be able to use it to buy this token, and click on buy Ooga. So this is how to buy Ooga token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.